I'm actually here at the apartment right now, and I kind of want to give you guys like a nice little look, because it's looking a lot more put together than it was literally 12 hours ago. So I thought I would go and show you guys really quick. We'll start from the beginning and then work our way here. So let's go. Okay, so really fun fact, we don't have a light for this living room yet, so it's always dark when we come in, but okay. So here's our living room. We have this chair here in the ottoman and the couch, and we literally brought this all last night. I brought this from my house, so I've been storing it since like early August, and now we're here, and I've only sat on it like once because I didn't even sit on it when I got it. But yeah, I think it's cool. Here is our kitchen region. We got our table and some chairs going on. I did some grocery shopping today. And by grocery shopping, I mean getting a bunch of crap that I don't need, but I got it anyway. And I bought us some paper towels. And here's some chips for all of us to enjoy. And here is our kitchen, which we have some stuff in. It's not the most organized right now, but that's fine. And guys, I'm really excited that we have an oven because when I was in the dorms, we had like, it was like a microwave oven kind of thing. So like it was a microwave, but it also functioned as an oven, but I never figured out how to work it. So I think I got to use it like once 2 weeks before I even moved out, and that's it. And we got our food. Yeah, Sheridan's ice cream. I'm not gonna eat any of it because it's hers, but I really want to. And that's like my little section. All the bad crap in your life that you don't need, but I have it anyway. And then, Colette and Justin have all this good stuff for you. And so I think that's awesome that they're actually healthy and stuff. So good for them. And then we even have stuff in our fridge. And this stuff is my little unorganized pile right there. And milk and all this stuff. Yeah, it's fun. And yeah, our cereal, we have that, and then they have some stuff in there. And then we got this little thing with goodies that we broke into and started eating, so we still have some stuff left in here. But yeah, we got a Snickers bar that I can see. Snickers bar, and there's popcorn and French fries. Yeah, and okay, we don't have the trash can yet, but Sheridan's bringing it tonight. So, okay, this is kind of like the outside area. And then we're getting our internet installed Tuesday, I think. So we'll finally have some internet, because this has been the worst part about this place is because I want to watch so many things on Netflix and YouTube, and I can't stream anything because I don't want to go for my data, but I also want to watch it on like a TV. And I have stuff, like I can stream Netflix and Amazon on my TV, but I can't do that yet because I don't have any Wi-Fi. So if I want to watch anything, it has to all be on my phone, and I don't want to do that. So there's another closet door right there in Colette and Justin's room, and I don't think any of them are home, but they could be, but I don't think so. Okay, and here's our there's Sheridan stuff, and here's my bed, which kind of looks a little messy because my pillows are all over the place, but it kind of has the same vibe. I always have blue. I tried to get something else, but I didn't see any other bed patterns or colors that I liked, so I went for blue again, and I'm reading Harry Potter and the Cursed Child again, because why not? And yes, I'm reading too, because I'm doing a compare and contrast. This is the rehearsal edition. This is the so-called definitive edition, and they're really essentially the same kind of script. There's a couple more words added here or there, but I just like to compare. And then this, if you guys will see, is taken directly from my bedroom, from my home, and I brought it with me. So Sheridan and I can watch TV in our room if we so desire. And of course I brought all my Harry Potters with me. I can't abandon those. Like, come on, guys. There's our bathroom in there. Hi. Okay, bye. And then my closet just looks like a mess. I'm not even gonna mess with it. And I took my Bang Bang You're Dead cast gift because I love this. This is one of my absolute favorite things in the entire world. My cast made it for me when I was the director. It was just so sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more vlogging tonight with Sheridan just to do something. I don't know, maybe we'll figure out something fun to do tonight. But I am going to Disneyland tomorrow again because I have a pass. I'm gonna use it. Like, come on. I've been using this Disney pass, and I might even be going again on Friday. Who knows? I might. You know, you got a Disney pass. You got to use it. You know, I want to get my money's worth. So yeah, this is my apartment.
Midnight 30. Partying with our neighbors.
It's a little hard to hear, but our neighbors got some music bumping. So Sheridan and I thought we'd take advantage of it and just dance with it. But look, Sheridan got a microwave for us. So yeah, now we're gonna set it up. Let's do these.
That was so loud. I'm so sorry. I really did not mean for that to be as loud as it was.
I would help you, but I wanted to see you.
It's okay. You just wanted to see me struggle?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
I'm just not quite sure. Oh, chairs.
Let's see. Let's do it.
No thanks.
What did it say, Sheridan?
Read before use.
And Sheridan said no
This
thanks.
pamphlet, and I said, we don't need no pamphlet. I said, sign me up. Let's go this way, this way.
I don't
Show
know.
around the pamphlet.
Yeah, you read. You would know, but you did not. But guys, look at this. We have buttons. So I'm really
We have
excited about the
buttons now,
buttons.
everyone.
Popcorn. There's even a pizza button.
Oh, look, is that right? I feel like it's not right.
I don't know if you would have read the pamphlet. You would.
Well, I feel like we're gonna get a noise complaint.
We're gonna get a noise complaint, and they're not. Hi, neighbors.
Okay, does this one? Okay.
But look at this microwave. There were no buttons. It was dials. So.
Okay, where's the cord? Is my okay. Oh. Oh, you're still.
Okay, so.
So I was just looking in here because we heard a funny noise. Jacob said, "Oh, it's coming from inside the fridge." So I went down here and I was trying to figure it out. And what did I find? Oh, sticker of a witch and a sticker of Halloween. Happy Halloween! It's October 1st. I really hope we find more stickers.
Me too. This is like a treasure hunt. This is so funny. It's probably not as funny as I'm making it.
You were just like delirious because that was hilarious.
It's so funny.
It was so funny. I was
Like
just
when we
"Ah!"
found it, I was laughing so hard.
I feel like the neighbors can all hear us laughing. They're like, those teenagers. Sorry, I can't kiss them.
I know, you keep saying bad words in my vlogs, and I keep saying I'm gonna edit them out, but I never do, because I'm lazy as... Guys.
Okay, are we going into the room?
Into the room, it's time to go. I need to get my headphones. I left them on the chair. Got them. And that was one of mine and Sheridan's first few days in the apartment. And our apartment still looks the same at this point, pretty much. But it was so funny just because we saw those stickers in our fridge and we had to just record it and then all that other stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please go on, give this video a like and subscribe. And keep an eye out. I have some more videos coming out soon. And a new thing that I'm trying. I'm going to try doing like stories. So the next video that comes out on my channel is going to be a story. And it actually took place like the night this was recorded, I think. I think this all happened the same night. So get ready. It's going to be a fun story for you guys. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.